Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Pyro's Projects. This one's going to be a Workshop Wednesday video. I know I've mentioned in the past about how warm it gets in this shop, and so I've decided to try and see if I can insulate my garage door here. What I did is bought some of that fancy, funny looking metallic bubble wrap, and I'm going to stick it up to the door for each panel and see if it helps. Like right now, I'm standing about 4 foot from the door and I can feel the radiant heat from this door. The further back in the shop I get, the cooler it gets. So we're going to give it a shot. Let me show you what I'm working with here real quick. Okay, I found this stuff at Lowe's. I got 2 rolls of it. There's one down there, one up here, and then a roll of Gorilla double-sided sticky tape. I'm into this for like $80. I'm going to see if it helps because, I mean, even backing up, I'm about 5 foot from the door and I can still feel the radiant heat off this door. I can touch the door and it is considerably warmer than even the wood frame around it. So I'm going to get to work and we'll see what happens. All right there, everybody. There's the finished product of the door. I did remove the pull handle and the extra lock over there and remounted those after I put the bubble tape on. I found it was way easier to, after I put the tape on the door and peeled the backing, to do it one stripe across at a time, because instead of trying to start at one end and work my way across, I just was able to stick it, hold it up, take the next set of peels, and then flip it down and stick it. I mentioned previously about cutting these out. On the last 2 rows, I just left them and tucked them back up underneath the hinge roller. Made it a little easier, covers a little bit more of the door. As of right now, I can't feel the radiant heat through this bubble wrap, much less the 4 or 5 feet back that I could feel it earlier. So hopefully this will help. I will, update in a couple of days or week or so whenever I remember to do it. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.